Here I am going to tell you 5 most trending brand new words that you must know. Number 1 is hellacious. It means an awful or bad experience of something. We use it to describe the weather, traffic, or a period of time in our life. For an example, you can say, I was stuck in hellacious traffic this morning. I was stuck in hellacious traffic this morning. Number 2 is sober curious. What does it mean to be a sober curious? So it is a period of not drinking alcohol. A period of not drinking alcohol. For an example, he is not drinking because he wants to be sober curious for 6 months. He wants to be sober curious for 6 months. Number 3 is situationship. A relation that is more than a friendship but not romantic. I'm confused about them. They are not a couple, but they are in a situationship. I'm confused about them. They are not a couple, but they are in a situationship. Number 4 is janky. Something of poor quality is janky. This phone cover I bought last week is janky. This phone cover I bought last week is janky. Number 5, simp. Someone who is silly and unintelligent. For an example, he is quite a simp for his age. He is quite a simp for his age. So guys, these were some brand new words. I hope you would like this video, and if you really find something new to learn in this video guys, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more language learning content. And yes guys, if you really want to improve your English speaking skills, you can buy our advanced English ebook. You can click the link in the description to buy this ebook. We will meet in the next video. Until keep watching, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye bye.